Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make a very special salad with beef tendon and green fruits. It's a really appetizing dish that you can serve as an appetizer, of course, and also it's a great drinking snack, so the guys gonna love it. In Vietnamese, it's called gỏi găng bò. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
You will need 500 grams of beef tendon, and you can buy this especially at your butcher, at the Asian store maybe. It normally will take about 1.5 hours to cook beef tendon, but today I will use a pressure cooker to cook it to shorten the cooking time. First of all, you wash the beef tendon and parboil it for about 10 minutes with some salt and vinegar to clean the strong smell of the beef. And then you dump out the whole pot and transfer the tendon into a pressure cooker. To that, we will grill some ginger, star anise and cinnamon until fragrant and add to the pot together with a teaspoon of salt. So the beef tendon will get a really amazing aroma after cooked. Then we will close the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until tender. Then transfer the beef tendon into a bowl of ice water to maintain that crunchy texture that's gonna make a really beautiful salad. Next, we will cut up the vegetables. Today, I will have some very special Vietnamese fruit called Ambarella. It's really nice and sour and crunchy, beautiful in a salad. You can also use green mango or a very popular fruit, which is green apple. So you can also use guava or whatever fruit that has a crunchy texture, and a little bit tart or sour would add a nice texture and flavor to the salad. For green mango, you can keep the peel on so it will not be too sour. And it also have a really nice texture and color for our salad. For apple and umbrella, just do the same. Soak the green fruit into salt water to prevent it from turning dark and also keeping some flavor to it. Next, we will make the salad dressing. To that, you will need some ginger, which should be cut into a really fine strip. Ginger is really great to go with beef, so do add ginger to your food that you cook with beef. And then we also need 2 stalks of lemongrass. We'll just thinly slice it. To make the salad dressing, you're gonna need equal amount of sugar and fish sauce. Here I will use 2 tablespoons each. About a tablespoon of vinegar. You can use white vinegar, rice vinegar, or apple cider vinegar is also fine. Into the sauce, we will add minced garlic, the ginger and lemongrass, which we have already sliced, and some chili flakes to make it extra spicy. So give it a good stir and you will have a really nice and beautiful salad dressing. Smells so good. The beef tendon has a really nice texture and it has a lot of collagen, so it's really good for you. I love the beautiful texture it has and it will add to the salad. So just cut it into the same size as the fruit. Okay, now let's assemble the salad. In a large salad mixing bowl, we just add all the beef tendon that we already cut up and then mix it with about a tablespoon of the delicious and fragrant dressing. Give it a good toss so the tendon absorbs all the amazing flavor from that dressing first. Then we can add the green fruit. And now add more of the dressing and give it a good toss. Finally, add in some herbs because no Vietnamese salad is complete without the fresh herbs. You can use mint or sweet basil or some sawtooth coriander and just sprinkle the herbs in and toss it well again and your salad is now ready. Now just transfer everything into a serving plate. Here's our beautiful salad. Look at this, so nice. Let me give it a try. Let's try the tendon. And the green fruit. The tendon has really nice crunchy texture and gelatinous. And the beautiful fruit, mango and apple and ambarella, is very crunchy and it has some nice tart and sour to it. The fragrance, lemongrass and the herbs bring everything together, and of course you can't forget that sweet and savory dressing from the fish sauce. Tastes so good, and I really need a glass of beer now. And here we go. Try some fruit.
Oh my god, it is so good. It's amazing. You want to try?
This is Suni, and she's the interviewer today. We have a little session earlier.
So we're here today because we're interviewing Helen for a documentary movie on women entrepreneurs in Vietnam. And she's obviously a success story and a role model for the young generation. This is my daughter Maggie, and I'm so happy we're here. We're very privileged to be here and feature Helen in our documentary movie. So the movie is called How She Dares, coming to a screen near you in 2018.
So I'll put the links at the end or in the description box later when this comes out. I'm so excited.
Thank you. Thumbs up for Helen, for sure. Thumbs up.
I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you would like me to make more salad like this, please leave in the comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious Vietnamese food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.